news now that more questions about the drug seizure at India's Mundra port just a few days ago, because now the latest documents show that a similar consignment to the same company, which is just supposed to be a husband-wife company, actually came in June. So what is the actual amount of heroin which has come into India from Afghanistan since June at the same port, the same company? Now reports that there could have been a third consignment scheduled as well. There are currently raids being carried out in Delhi and Noida, where more kilos of heroin has been seized, all apparently linked to the Mundra or the Adani port consignment. Meanwhile, the Adani group issued a statement today saying that as people who own the port, as a company which runs the port, they can't actually inspect any container. Only the government can do that.
There could be more than 3,000 kgs of heroin that's been smuggled into India. Investigating agencies are probing this after the 15th September seizure in Gujarat's Mundra port. Sources say a similar consignment came in June 2021 of 24 tons, marked as talc stone, via the same Gujarat port, and is said to have been transported to Delhi. Security agencies are trying to find out if heroin was smuggled in that import consignment as well. Now the drug trail is widening. Investigation has revealed that the drug consignment, concealed as semi-processed talc stones, was exported by Kandahar-based company Hassan Hussain Limited in Afghanistan, and it was shipped through Bandar Abbas port in Iran to Mundra port in Gujarat, imported by Ashi Trading Company, located in Vijayawada, but owned by a Chennai-based couple. And the agency suspects that this consignment too was intended to be delivered in Delhi.
There is in fact said to be a third consignment that came through the same Mundra port and again marked as semi-processed talcum stone. The common link between the three shipments is that all of them had the same number on the country of origin certificates, which are now thought to be fake. But interestingly, this one had a different Afghani supplier and this time a Delhi importer.
While the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence is tight-lipped on the ongoing pan-India operation to nab the big players involved in the syndicate, sources have told NDTV that the Vijayawada-based company was only a name lender, and the arrested couple may not have known about the heroin consignment that was put below 2 layers of talc stones in powder. Investigators say the place of origin for the consignment is Nimruz province in Afghanistan, where talc is not produced. 5 more individuals, including 4 Afghan nationals, have been arrested. The address of Ashi Trading Company that was on the consignment bill is this house in Vijayawada, belonging to Govindaraju Taraka. Her daughter Vaishali and son-in-law Sudhakar were arrested in Chennai on Saturday.
The couple Sudhakar and Vaishali had got GST registration in August 2020 and used their export-import license in order to import the consignments, and they were paid 30,000 rupees for every container and 3 lakh rupees for customs clearances and transport to Delhi. They were in fact expecting 2 more consignments to arrive shortly.
1,75,000 करोड़ के 25,000 किलो हेरोइन ड्रग्स कहां गए, जो तथाकथित तौर से जून में आए थे इसी अडानी पोर्ट से.
Adani Group, which operates the Mundra port, says, "We have no policing authority over the containers or the millions of tons of cargo that pass through the terminals in Mundra or any of our ports."
Sources in central agencies say that the large seizure of drugs being reported in India and Sri Lanka in recent time shows that the drug syndicate is now relying more on maritime routes, and it's a matter of concern. Government sources have told NDTV that, keeping security implications in mind, this case will be handed over to NIA from DRI soon. With Uma Sudhir and camera person Pooja Arya, this is Arvind Gunasekar for NDTV.